Samsung showcases a folding gaming handheld at Mobile World Congress 2025. Samsung unveiled the Flex gaming handheld at the Mobile World Congress 2025. While the event showcased numerous smartphones, the Flex Gaming stood out as a long-rumored folding gaming console. This handheld concept has been developing for some time, with speculation increasing over the past 6 months. Valve started optimizing Steam games for ARM64, leading to leaks about Samsung's foldable gaming device. Flex Gaming debuted in Barcelona, unconfirmed for production. The Flex Gaming features a 7.2-inch foldable OLED panel with joysticks but lacks buttons and a D-pad, making it impractical for most gaming. Attendees couldn't handle it, indicating it's an early prototype. Its market position against devices like ROG Ally X remains uncertain. There is also the possibility that another company could adopt Samsung's foldable OLED technology to create a similar product. Whether or not the Flex Gaming becomes an actual product, its presence at MWC 2025 signals Samsung's continued experimentation in next-gen portable gaming. Samsung revealed the asymmetric Flip, a dual-folding phone with unique dual inward hinges, at MWC 2025. Its design resembles the Galaxy Z Flip, but leaves part of the display exposed when folded. The practical benefits over existing models are yet to be determined.